Hello and welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This is episode 2 out of our 50 countries in 50 weeks. One day that will actually just come out smoothly like it's supposed to. Anyways, today we're doing Speculoos. Pretty sure that's how you say it. Yeah, when I picked this for Belgium, it didn't immediately click into my head that I already knew what this was. My lovely and wonderful best friend Britt, who has a podcast called Contrivance. If you are a podcast person, you should check it out. Speculoos. So I actually didn't know that I knew what Speculoos were flavor wise because my wonderful best friend Britt came over from Oregon to hang out. Really sucks when your best friends move across the country. But anyways, so she came and she brought with her some cookie butter. This stuff is like crack. When I picked Speculoos, I was just like, oh, it's like a spiced cookie. Like, okay, great. Yeah, no, it's gonna be delicious. It might be like real delicious. And it's gonna include me, shipping some cookies. Because why not? If you have friends that live across the country and they introduce something into your life, it's only fair that you then make that thing and then send it to them. Right? Anyways, so we're gonna make some cookies. That's what we're doing today. Fingers crossed. I'm just stalling. Hi, welcome to Anxiety Kitchen. So I've got my butter and my brown sugar, and I'm just gonna cream that together. Okay, then I'm gonna add my eggs one at a time. Maybe, hopefully, well, okay. Most of the egg. And okay, I'm gonna scrape the sides of the bowl down just to make sure we get everything incorporated. I need to add this in stages. So I've got my flour and all of my spices. So I've got my cinnamon, my ginger, allspice, and cloves, and nutmeg. Oh, and baking powder. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Try not to make a complete and total mess. Anytime I make cookies, it makes me think of my grandma. We always used to make cookies at Christmas. I haven't done that in a while. It used to always be my cousins and my brother and me. And we'd all, hang out and make cookies. My grandma's rule was always that, if one broke while you're taking it out of the oven, that was the prize. You get to eat that one. And obviously if the cookies are ugly, you also get to eat those. Hopefully we'll get to do that again. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. And then we'll come back and we will cut some cookies and then bake some cookies and play the cookie dough drums. Nice. And look at my wonderful little cookie cutters. We have a pumpkin, a ghost, an angel, what's this? A black cat, a Christmas tree, or just a tree, doesn't have to be Christmas, And what is this? I think it's a witch. Like she's riding a broom. We'll go with that. Okay. See you guys in a little while. There. I think that should be good. Okay. Let's see. We should have a pumpkin. That fly should fuck off. Ah! It's okay. Black cake. A little happy little tree. Little angel. And ta-da! I made cookies, beach. So, you know, that took a couple of hours. It took a couple of hours. I probably should have researched just how many cookies this made, because it's a good amount. It would be really good with like tea, if you're into tea. I'm into tea. We have to draw what the fuck we're gonna be doing next week. I do have stuff other than desserts. I promise, I do. Okay. I don't remember what this is. I think it's like a custard tart. It's Portugal. So we finally have jumped out of sequence. And it's pastel de nata. Probably butchered that. I think it's a dessert. And maybe the following week we'll be able to make dinner. Feel free to like and subscribe, please. But that's it for today. And yeah, stay classy or don't. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye. Okay, this one looks brown. Okay, bye. Oh, I bit the angel's head off. I'm going to hell. I do have, you know, barking dogs outside.